I'm Gregory Lip from the University of Liverpool in the United Kingdom. And it's a great pleasure to be able to present at the virtual ESO-WSO conference in 2020. I'll be talking and delivering a lecture on atrial fibrillation and cognitive function. And I'll be trying to address firstly, the pathophysiology, the mechanisms, and then in relation to the management covering anticoagulation, covering also risk factor management, and also discussing recent findings with regard to rhythm control. And in a sense, you could the take-home message from my lecture is how, in terms of managing atrial fibrillation, needs to be in an integrated and holistic manner, easy as ABC. A, avoid stroke, or A is anticoagulation. B, better symptom management with rate or rhythm control. And C, cardiovascular and comorbidity optimization, including lifestyle type changes. I very much look forward to seeing you there.